Welcome to Heel and Toe. It's time for the Python to have some Akrapovic love. All right guys, so what we're getting done today is Akrapovic link pipes. I think that's what they like to call them. Akrapovic link pipes. So the guys at String Theory are doing this for me today. So his first step is they've taken the wheels off, and we're going to have a look at what the stock link pipes look like. And there we have the stock link pipes, and these are going to be coming off in a second. And we'll be putting on the sexy Akrapovic, if that's how I pronounce it, Akrapovic link pipes. Akrapovic. I've just been corrected. It's Akrapovic, right? So what we'll try and do is we'll try and weigh them as well, and see. I'm hoping there's quite a bit of a weight saving, but let's see. So we'll be back in a minute to see how much they weigh, etc. Okay, guys. So we've got the stock link pipes. Akrapovic. There you go, I pronounced it right. I've been corrected and I've hopefully pronounced it right. So the stock, is this the left or the right hand side, Ben?
It is. That is the right side.
Okay, so the right side stock link pipe is 5.75 kg. Yeah?
The left side is 5.8.
It's about 5.8. Yeah, the thing is I can't remember this stuff. Ben could probably.
How I was saying it about.
There you go. Yeah, no, it's there.
Isn't it?
There you go. We've got it. 5.8. Right. There's the evidence on video that this is what they weigh: 5.8 and 5.75. And now we've got the sexy Akrapovic titanium wrapped, all that funky stuff. And one of them is 1.85. There you go. Less than half, I think.
Yep.
And I should know this. I did computer science as a degree. I should know this mathematical. I've lost all my maths now. 1.8, 1.85.
Yeah, so they measured slightly differently before, but I mean they must be on the brink of 1.85.
Yeah, so quite a bit less than half weight. Yep, there you go. Thanks, Ben. Yep, great, excellent. Okay, guys. So the link pipes have now been fitted, and we'll just take a look a bit closer to see the beauties fitted and ready to go. Piece of artwork, I think. And it's good that they're wrapped to keep the temps down. So, you know, on track days and that, they'll hopefully significantly reduce the heat that's coming out. So yeah, we'll get the wheels fitted back on and give it a sound check.